Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add a subscribe form to a website in Beehiiv. So first, you have to make sure first that you're already logged into your account or you have your plan already so that you will be able to access all of its features. And after you've logged into your account, you will just have to go to the grow section, and then what you will do is go ahead and click subscribe form, and then you will click plus new form, and then just go ahead and customize the fields like the name and email and so on, and then colors, layout, and CTA text, which is call to action text. And then you will just have to click save and you will just have to click copy the embed code provided, and then you will paste the code into your website HTML where you want the form to appear. Then you will test the form by subscribing a test email. And by the way, ensure mobile responsiveness by previewing the form on different screen sizes. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.